Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial and SolidWorks. In this tutorial, what I'm going to show you actually to model this bolt. Okay, so this is really very simple once you know how it is made. But let me model this part again inside the SolidWorks. But remember, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that to receive the upcoming videos notification to you people, right? So this is really very simple. For that, let me open a new file, select part and say OK. Let me choose a plane, sketch on it. This time I will make a hexagon. Already 6 is selected, number of sides, and say OK. You can keep the dimension from here. This time this is 68, I'm keeping it 70, right? And just say OK. Now exit sketch, come to extruded boss base, and this time I'm going to keep it 40. The extrusion of the head would be 40 mm. Again I will select this face, sketch on it, make it normal, and this time I will select a circle, draw a circle, come to smart dimension, keep it 80 and just confirm it. Come to feature extruded boss base, and this time I'm going to keep it 180 mm and just say OK. Now to add this portion and side head, for that I'm going to choose this plane, make it normal. Again I will draw a circle, tell here when it is going to tangent to this line, and just confirm it. Come to features, and side feature you have to select extruded cut. Nothing, just you have to check the flip side to cut, and inside the draft you have to put 45 degree and just confirm it. See, this is really good right now. Now again sketch on it, make it normal. This time sometimes we need to open a bolt through an L key rather than to open it through something else. Exit sketch, again come to feature, extruded cut, and this time let me keep it up to 30 mm and just confirm it, right? Now what I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to show you how can you create the external threads on this portion of this bolt. For that, let me choose this plane, sketch on it, come to convert entity, now come to feature, and here I will choose helix and spiral. This time I will choose height and pitch, make sure constant pitch, and this time the height of that I was kept for this is actually 180. Let me reverse the direction, and this time I'm going to keep it a little bit lesser than that, the actual length, 160, and let me keep the pitch is 12. Okay, and start angle, make sure you have to put 0 degree. You can keep it counterclockwise and clockwise as well. Just say OK. Now come to view, change the view, come to reference geometry, and this time I will create a plane. Select the spiral, and the next thing that you have to select is this corner of the spiral. Let me choose this corner. And let me choose this. Again, let me choose a plane. And this spiral also over here, and select this. When I say that it is fully defined, after that just confirm it. Now what to do actually, I'm going to choose this new plane, which is this one, and I'm going to sketch on it. Again, make it normal, and this time I will come in hexagon, but rather than the number of sides is 6, I will keep it 3, because right now I'm going to draw a rectangle. Over here, come to smart dimension and keep this length as 15. Just confirm it for now. Right, come to feature and make sure exit sketch. This time I will use sweep cut, and in profile I will choose this helix and just say OK. Let me change the preview, and this time let me hide this plane, also this helix, so actually you can see your bolt is ready, right? This is pretty nice. Sometimes you need it, but it was something randomly, no dimensions I have, but really you must know how can you make. Either dimension is not really difficult for you. Once you have the proper dimension, you can assign the dimension that time and you will get the proper result. Hopefully you like this video, and let me color this part. Click on the part, come to body, appearance, and this time come to appearance, metals, and this time I will give it polished steel and just confirm it. So the part is ready. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching.